Because they said, the president did say this, if you step on a crack, you break your mom's back. Don't listen to all that silly stuff. See? My mom, body parts are broken. Record the body parts. Sorry.